Hey, my name is Katie. I just got done riding the Blizzard Sheeva 9. This is an amazing ski for that chick who's more of the advanced intermediate, ready to get in the expert level range. The ski really rips, honestly. It's full of a light core carbon, so you get a ton of strength and durability. And it's super stable, but you save a ton of weight. You got a little bit of carbon in the tip and the tail, so it makes it a lot more playful and poppy. At 94 millimeters under waist, this thing can get into some fresh powder and get in some trees, but it really carves well. It carves wonderfully. I love this ski. There's nothing I didn't like about it. It definitely likes speed though, so if you're kind of more like that mellow intermediate skier, you like to go a little bit slower, I wouldn't really recommend this ski for you. But again, if you're really just trying to carve, get into some fresh playful snow, some trees, a little bit more advanced to expert level ski, Sheeva 9 is great for you.